Hey, what's up with it? It's your boy Casey Mack. Just know it's been a minute since I made a video, but I just had to show up. You know what I'm saying? Just I'm doing this for my truckers. You know what I'm talking about? We drive. We gotta look out for each other. And I know right now, you know what I'm saying. Pretty much, we got a lot of people out here, struggling going through it. You got a lot of truckers. You know what I'm saying? Losing their trucks, losing their trailers. And we all understand why the race is down. Parts have went up, the service have went up, the quality of all of that a lot of times goes down. And so basically, like I say, I made this video for the trucking community. Because a lot of us in this trucking community, you know what I'm saying, especially the owner operators, people who have a couple trucks, two, three trucks, four, whatever, got big revenue coming in and not really maximizing them funds. So it's not all about getting all your money out of trucking because in any business you have your slow seasons. You also have unexpected things that pop up. So, in business you have to be ready for whatever go pop up. So basically a lot of y'all don't really understand how to maximize the income, because we all go through the same thing. Some people come out of it and survive, some people don't. So one thing that a lot of y'all can do is listen real close. And a lot of y'all might have heard of whole life policy. Maybe a lot of y'all might have not have. Now, whole life policy is not the home run. You know what I'm saying? It's a foundation to building some generational wealth and the beginning of pretty much putting your money somewhere, you know, where you can begin to build. Like a lot of y'all got money sitting in the bank. A lot of y'all got 20,000 a month coming in. You got two or three trucks, it could get even better. So y'all got money sitting in the bank. And that money not growing. It's just sitting there. The bank's paying little to nothing on your money. Put the money in a whole life policy, a high cash value whole life policy. You know what I'm saying? That's designed properly. Now, some people gonna say, "Oh man, don't do that." This and that. But man, don't listen to what everybody's saying. Everything ain't for everybody. But if you got large amounts of money sitting in the bank, why not put in a whole life policy that's gonna be as safe as the bank, as liquid as the bank, and it's tax free to access the money, just like if you pull money out the bank. It's all pretty much the same thing. The only difference is when you access your money, you'll be accessing it through a policy loan, which is okay. You're gonna hear people say, "Oh man, you paying interest on your own money." Your money is earning money, so it's gonna override what you're paying in interest. Especially after your first year, because your money starts to compound. And just say you put 100,000 in there, and you go take a policy loan for 50. Most people who do this, they're gonna take a policy loan to go make some money. You might buy another truck. You might go buy some real estate and rent it out. Whatever the case, you're gonna buy an asset with this money. The asset is gonna pay that policy loan back. And on top of that, when it's time to pay you interest on the money, you're gonna get paid interest on the entire 100, not the 50 that's left. Like the bank, if you got 100 in the bank and you take 50 out, when it's time to pay to your interest or whatever, your dividends, they're gonna pay you based on what's in there at that time. No, you don't want that. You want to get paid on the whole thing that you put in there in the first place. And they're gonna pay you on it like you never touched it. So that's kind of brief. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot that could be said about these policies. A lot of people don't know none about them. A lot of agents don't know none about them because nobody taught them. So because it's not something that helps the insurance carriers. It helps the client. It helps you. You know what I'm saying? Because you will have access to your money. Just say you put 100 in there, you're gonna have access to probably about a good 85 immediately. So Why would you not put your money where it's going to grow? Um, Probably 10 times as much as it would in the bank. It's liquid, meaning you can go access the money. It's tax free when you access the money. They're paying interest on the entire bucket of money. And guess what else? It is a life insurance policy. So what that means, you got some wealth to pass down to your people. Instead of being on GoFundMe, instead of your people being on GoFundMe embarrassing you, that makes you look funny when you done lived all this life and then you pass away and people got to go beg to bury you. It's like, what did you even live for? So this policy, you know, also will help. You know what I'm saying? Also will help drivers just in these hard times because your money gonna be earning, especially if you got large amounts. You know what I'm saying? You got money sitting in the bank. Just slide it over here. You're not paying a monthly payment either. So it's not just a burden. You know what I'm saying? Like, how much can I afford a month? We normally look at insurance policies as something it we gotta be able to afford it. You know, I can only afford 150 a month or 100 a month or 200 a month. No, you don't do that. If you got 10,000 sitting in the bank, dump that in the policy, get it designed properly. The base premium, meaning what you have to commit to, can be squeezed down so tight you're only paying so little, and that's annual. Just say you drop 10,000 in there, that's for the whole year. You're making an annual payment. 1,000 of that can be for your insurance. The 9,000 can be for you to access if you need it, your cash value, and it's going to continue to grow. So every year you want to be responsible for that 1,000. Now, if you got more questions, holler at me. I'm not gonna take up too much time. I just wanted to shoot that out there because truckers, especially owner operators, you own your stuff. You got big money coming in. Run your money through this policy, and if you need the money, you just go access it as you need it. Use it like a line of credit. Use it like a bank account. A lot of y'all heard of it. Some of y'all may have not. If you want more questions, hit me up. I'll make some more videos on it. If you got questions, um, I'll leave an email address also. And you can email me if you got any more questions. I'll make another video on the questions. Or you can just hit me up directly and I'll get back with you. I had to study this so I can help you design these policies. A lot of agents, they just about the big commission. They're not about helping you. You know what I'm saying? So it's sad. I got caught up in it. I paid for a traditional whole life policy. Those are the ones that people talk bad about. That's too expensive. No cash value for 10 years. We don't need traditional whole life policies if you want high cash value. Need help structuring that? You need somebody that can design that. Get in touch with me and help y'all out. I did this for the trucking community because I'm a part of it. I've been in trucking since 2006, and we got to make our money work for us. That's what it's about. It's not about working harder for your money. It's about making your money work for you, so you can not work as hard. And I'm gonna get out of here because I'm hungry. I want something to eat. But y'all pay close attention to what I'm saying. Put your money in these policies. And if you got something else you want to do, you want to invest in real estate, you want to invest in the stock market, whatever, because there's gonna be people saying, "Hey, you can get a better return out of this." I'm not here to say this is the best investment that's gonna earn the most money. What I'm saying is it's safe, it's liquid, and it's tax free to access it. And you got a death benefit to pass wealth down to your heirs, the people you love that you want to make sure they straight. And if you got any other investment, any other business, you can use it in conjunction with this because you take a policy loan and you go and invest into whatever else that you want to do. So people who fight against this, it's no need to fight in battle against what you should do. do this first. This is the foundation of building generational wealth. I wouldn't be on her saying that if it wasn't what that was. That's what the Rockefellers did. That's what a lot of wealthy people do. That's what big banks do. Big corporations, that's what they do. So copy what they do, even if it's on a small level. If you got $3,000, start with that, whatever it is. Now, it's up to you. You can struggle or you can start the bubble. Hit your boy Casey Mack up. I will help you get this thing done. I'm helping some truckers right now. So I had to bring this to my trucker community. You know what I'm saying? I deal with anybody, but especially I had to come to the truckers because we keep it popping. We keep stuff moving. We the ones that bring everything to everybody. So somebody got to help us instead of everybody thinking that we got deep pockets that we just supposed to dig in every time somebody show up wanting something. So enjoy y'all night, and I'm finna go give me something to eat.